Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, with a vision to obtain quality education and produce better educational atmosphere within the district, Quality Education Awareness Campaign Mission 2025 was launched at Karbi Students Association Headquarters, Rongteang, Diphu on 29 August, along with the cooperation of all students and social organizations present at Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong districts. Right after the inauguration of the campaign and following the direction of Richard Togby, Honorable EM Education, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, and under the supervision of Thang Sing Timung, President Karbi Students Association, CEC, Diphu Head Branch, and Borlangpher Head Branch, under Diphu Regional Committee, started the Education Awareness Campaign from 30th August. Borlangpher Head Branch visited to Inglongpho LP School and Chiri Langso LP School, Langso Liet, under Borlangpher Development Block. The team was led by Sanjip Phangcho, President Borlangpher Head Branch, with his associates, accompanied by Soro Singh Bey, Secretary, Diphu Regional Committee, and Mongol Singh Ronghang. Sanjip Phangcho, President of Borlangpher Head Branch, while speaking to us, informed about the congestions of classrooms where students from class 1 to 5 were put together in one room. Irregularities of teachers, negligence of responsibilities by the headmaster.
Long ni school pen long dim thekam long mang la lo pe mang so LP school long mang ni tum I school ki bi I student mang ong che plus so school arum ilong vai long si class 1 to class 5 ilong vai jok la si khola bang so di man long mang tum survey dam pen thekam long lo ati char ta me continue ke bang ve headmaster bang dolo Diphu tame dak bang ke bang ke absent si omuna la si la pusona long bang li tum itung kaching honai EM Richard Togby sar anang li mission 25 la bang so ke mang long pen la bang so school tame immediately pen ke mesen ang theka pawan di basi li tum KSA hin ben jonori lo.
Meanwhile, a team of Diphu Head Branch also made an initial school visit under the Quality Education Awareness Campaign Mission 2025 at Phonglangso LP School and Disama LP School. The team was led by Nelson Timung, President Diphu Head Branch, with his associates. Soro Singh Bey, Secretary, Diphu Regional Committee, while speaking to us, spoke about the responsibilities of the teachers and guardians of the children in molding and shaping their future. Also appealed the parents to send their children to school daily.
Mithang hema sumalu poteng ben mathapen asumodon thansi pon thampon sipu kusi tuniro pen yapo parents me mithang sumodon ban school alomang kake dame padun verji pansi tuniro pen.
News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live.